This SEO topical map is building itself, 100% automated, zero manual research. Most SEO managers spend weeks in Ahrefs and Excel just to map one niche. I'm going to show you how to do it in 45 seconds using Gemini 2.5 Flash and Make.com. But there's a trap here. There's a data delimiter problem that if you don't write it correctly in your Gemini prompt, your automation will completely crash. Watch the next steps closely so you can understand how to write this data delimiter correctly in your Gemini prompt.
Yes, I know my channel doesn't have that many subscribers, but the videos you see don't have that many views. Because I just started this channel after more than 10 years of working in different teams, in different marketing roles, working for a startup with more than 40 million users, growing content teams from 2 to 12, and having lots of experience in content writing, content team management, and etc. I just decided to have my new YouTube channel in English. English is not my first language. I'm trying my best to deliver what I learned through all of these years to you. Yes.
Before we start, you need to know the 3-tier rule that Google follows to rank your website. Google is now ranking and rewarding topical authority, which has 3 tiers. The first tier is for the pillars, which are the foundation of your content. The second tier is clusters that somehow show your level of experience in the topic you are writing content about. And the third tier belongs to long-tail keywords that focus on the intent of the users. In the prompt that we are going to give to Gemini to understand our topic, our keyword, and write the tiers for that, we are going to tell it to follow all of these 3 tiers and give us content ideas and topics to write content for showing our topical authority. We start in Make.com. We connect the Google Sheet trigger, so every time you found a new niche, you just type one word and the engine starts. But the brain of this operation is the prompt, and most people are prompting all wrong. Check this out. Paste this exact prompt in your Gemini module. We are instructing Gemini to output raw text only. Crucially, we are telling it to use a pipe character instead of a comma. This is the secret to keeping your data clean when SEO titles contain natural commas. We now have the data we need, but it's in the raw CSV format that Gemini gave us. Now we need some modules to parse it and somehow convert it to a kind of data that we can send to our Google Sheet again and write and fill the columns in our file. In the next module, set your delimiter to the pipe character. Map your columns like title, title, intent, and parent. This turns raw AI text into a structured database so you can actually use for content planning. Look at the results. We have more than 60 content ideas categorized by intents, all linked to the parent pillars. You just did a month's worth of SEO strategy in the time it took to brew a cup of coffee. Well, this is it. As you saw, using only 4 modules, we now have an automation system that we can put raw keywords or ideas into one of the sheets in Google Sheet, and it will connect to Gemini. It will understand the intents and write all of the maps we need for that title. Somehow helps us create topical authority in that field and about that keyword. And after that, it will fill all of our data we need in the same Google Sheet. If you want to copy the scenario I made, you can copy it from the description. And please write your comments and ideas about the videos. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.